Chapter 10 Windows 10, the operating system. Learning OBJECTIVES. In this chapter, we will learn how to use Windows 10, which is one of the most popular operating system software. We have learnt that a computer works using both hardware and software. The operating system, OS, is one of the most important software which helps us to operate the computer. Without operating system, we cannot use the computer. Microsoft Windows is a popular operating system. Let's learn about the Microsoft Windows 10 version. The operating system is the first software that starts running when a computer is switched on. हमने सीखा है कि कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर दोनों का उपयोग करके काम करता है. ऑपरेटिंग द सिस्टम, OS, सबसे महत्वपूर्ण सॉफ्टवेयर में से एक है जो हमें कंप्यूटर को संचालित करने में मदद करता है. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के बिना हम कंप्यूटर का उपयोग नहीं कर सकते. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज एक लोकप्रिय ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है. आइए माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज 10 संस्करण के बारे में जानें. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पहला सॉफ्टवेयर है जो कंप्यूटर चालू होने पर चलना शुरू होता है. विंडोज 10 Windows 10 is made by the world's topmost software development company named Microsoft. It is very easy to use. It was released on 5 अक्टूबर 2021. Windows 10 Windows 10 को दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट कंपनी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने बनाया है. इसे इस्तेमाल करना बहुत आसान है. इसे 5 अक्टूबर 2021 को रिलीज किया गया था. फीचर्स ऑफ विंडोज 10. विंडोज 10 has a graphical user interface, GUI, that means we do not have to remember all the commands. We can give the commands by clicking the mouse button. It works on the principle of WYSIWYGIE. What you see is what you get. It allows us to run multiple programs at the same time. It is very user-friendly, i.e., easy to learn and understand. Starting Windows 10. When we press the power button on computer, it starts loading its operating system. This process makes the computer ready for use and is called booting. The process of booting ends with the appearance of a display area on the monitor. The first screen that is displayed is called the lock screen or desktop. Windows 10 शुरू करना. जब हम कंप्यूटर पर पावर बटन दबाते हैं, तो यह अपने ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को लोड करना शुरू कर देता है. यह प्रक्रिया कंप्यूटर को उपयोग के लिए तैयार करती है और इसे बूटिंग कहा जाता है. बूटिंग की प्रक्रिया मॉनिटर पर डिस्प्ले एरिया की उपस्थिति के साथ समाप्त होती है. पहली स्क्रीन जो प्रदर्शित होती है उसे लॉक स्क्रीन या डेस्कटॉप कहा जाता है. Let us learn the above parts one by one. Icons. Icons are small pictures on the desktop which may be a graphic representation. Desktop icons are also called shortcuts. Some of the important icons are this PC. This PC is a Microsoft Windows feature first found in Windows 95. The name My Computer icon in Microsoft Windows XP Vista and Windows 7, as well as the This PC icon in Windows 8 and in Windows 10. The Recycle Bin. Windows Recycle Bin is a special folder that stores delete files from our computer or device. It appears on the desktop and looks like a waste paper basket. Sorting the icons. We can arrange the icons on the desktop. This is called sorting. To sort icons, follow the given steps. Hiding desktop icons. We can hide all the icons on the desktop. To hide the icons, follow the given steps. We can bring back the desktop icons by clicking the Show Desktop Icons option again. Desktop background. Desktop background is digital image or picture used as decorative background of a graphical user interface on the screen of a computer or other electronic device. It is also called wallpaper. Taskbar. Taskbar is the most important component of the desktop. It is the long horizontal bar which is present at the bottom of desktop screen. It contains many buttons and icons on the taskbar as shown below. The Start button. The Start button is present on the left side of the taskbar. When we click on the Start button, the Start menu appears which is known as Start menu. The Windows 10 Start menu had two panes, left pane and right pane. We can find and open all the programs from the Start menu pane. The Quick Launch toolbar. Quick Launch is a feature on the taskbar that allows you to easily access our favorite programs. These programs can open in one click. It provides an area for PC users to place shortcuts to their most frequently used programs. Notification area. We can view programs and tasks that are running in the background in the notification area. It is located at the right side of the taskbar and contains small icons showing application notification. We can also view important messages for our computer. System clock. The system clock displays the current date and time. Show desktop button. This button is located on the bottom edge of taskbar. Pressing the SAM area at the end of the taskbar second time brings back all the windows you had open immediately. Changing the position of taskbar. We can change the position of the taskbar and place it at any one of the four sides of the screen. Quick review. Windows is a popular operating system. Windows 10 works on the principle of WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get. Icons are small pictures on the desktop which may be a graphical representation. We can arrange the icons on the desktop. This is called sorting. Desktop background is digital image or picture used as decorative background on computer screen. The taskbar is the long horizontal bar which is present at the bottom of desktop screen.